All right. So, we are going to be talking about finding the theme of the theme. So when you think of the word theme, what are some things that come to your mind when you think of theme?
Like a movie.
Take it out, please.
I think of
Or, okay, like what about a movie? What about theme makes you think of a movie?
like a plot twist or something.
A plot twist, okay. A character, what about a character makes you think of theme? Elaborate more.
What?
It just like something is you have a plan on doing something, everybody do that same exact thing.
Okay, so if the character has a plan to do something, they get everyone else to do the same thing.
Or is it help?
What'd you say?
To help.
To help?
Drop my mind.
Yes. Maybe. Okay. So you hear like theme song. What does that mean? If someone says that's my theme song. What does
Their
that
favorite,
mean?
I know favorite songs.
their favorite song.
Maybe their favorite song?
A song like that they like.
Yeah, song like they
Okay. Alright. So we are going to talk about finding theme. So you have some notes. So one thing that I'm noticing when I come into classrooms all the way from 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade is that you guys really struggle on to taking notes. So a lot of times when I say like, hey, Miss, your notebook, the notes are kind of all over the place. You have math notes mixed in with social studies notes, mixed in with science notes.
I got
So-
personal books for all.
And that's good. You should have personal notebooks for each subject. Not everyone does. Also, what I see is you've got September notes in the middle, January notes in the beginning, May notes just kind of all. So I find that a lot of you guys, middle schoolers, struggle with taking notes. So one thing I also want to focus on this year is kind of trying to help you guys learn to take notes. That's why this is kind of nice, because it's taking notes. So, the definition of theme. What is theme? You do not have to copy word for word what is on this screen. In your first box that says what is theme, you do not have to copy word for word, but I'm going to read it to you and then you guys kind of write down the best way that you will remember what is theme. Okay? So theme is a lesson or message that the author wants the character or reader to learn. Joelle, can you read what is theme for me?
Theme is a lesson or message that the author wants the reader or character or reader to learn.
For Maya, can you read what is theme?
Theme is a lesson or message that the author wants the character or reader to learn.
Okay, so now,
Yep.
Joelle, without reading this, can you tell me in your own words what is theme? Without reading it, just kind of in your own words, tell me what theme is.
I would say is something that you learn from something like inside of a book or like old times inside of a book.
Okay, so the theme is something that you learn from a book, right? Okay, Ramaya, in your own words, can you tell me what theme is?
Theme is where we like, it's like she has Miss Clary has a theme every year, which is she has to do like, she wants to do a different thing where you do it like basically
So her decorations, like the theme of her classroom is different every year?
yeah.
Okay.
Every year.
So based on this definition, what's your other definition of theme? That is an example of a theme. Yes, she has a different theme in her classroom. But based on that definition, what in your own words? Learning different things. So both of you kind of said the same thing about learning. So would you say it's kind of what the author wants you to learn? Or we could say usually the lesson that the character is learning throughout the book. It's the message, the overall message. So some common themes are being a friend.
Yeah.
You might find several books that the theme of the book is how to be a friend. Does that make sense? So, in this first box, what is theme? Theme is a lesson or a message that the author wants the character or reader to learn. So, in your own words, you would put something like that. You don't have to put exactly this. I want you, the point of notes is not for you guys just to copy it down. The point of taking notes is to help you understand something better. So if this definition to you is a little confusing, then I wouldn't write it if you're not going to know what it means. So on your notes, when it says what is theme, you're going to write the best way it makes sense to you of the message or lesson the author wants you to know. Does that make sense? You guys can go ahead. Yep.